konnichiwa. It's Rina. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, we're gonna kill our abs. Because a lot of my subscribers requested me to do a lot more abs workout videos. So today I'm gonna take your request and let's make a 6-pack on your abs. All you need is just a little bit of your space that you can fully move your body while you are laying down, and the water to be hydrated. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first we're gonna lay down on the mat. We're gonna start with tabletop abs crunch. Here we go, extend your arms, make a 90-degree angle on your legs. We're just gonna pose. Alright, to the right and to the left. Inhale and exhale. Keep going. Alright, put your hands behind your back. Knees to the chest. In, out. Inhale, exhale. Try to keep your pelvis position stable by squeezing your abs. Here we go, now one by one. In. Alright, lay down and up. Down. Crunch on top. There you go. Alright, back to tabletop crunch.
I'm alright, but I see through your white lies. These walls don't talk, and if they could, they'd say
Side to side.
the secrets you can't forget about this mess. I'm waiting on the sidelines from the sidelines.
Hands behind your back. Knee in. Out. We got this. Almost there. Single knee. Knees on top. Out. In. Now, one by one. Now, double. One by one. 2 more. Alright, be relaxed. Alright, let's put your abs on the mat and stretch apart. Alright, good job guys. We made it. It was only 3 minutes workout, but it's really worth to do it. If you want to make abs, you can feel free to take this danceolation into your workout routine and get your abs. I've been posting lots of videos categorizing as body parts through Pilates and danceolation on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. またねー!